Ever wonder why hiccups happen? Here's the deal. Deep in your brain, there's an ancient switch left over from when we were amphibians. Seriously. A hiccup is just a spasm in your diaphragm. Hic, it snaps your breath shut. Why? Because millions of years ago, our fishy ancestors used a similar reflex to gulp air without drowning. It helped them breathe. But you've got lungs. You don't need it. So basically, your body is still trying to use its old gills. Congrats! You have the useless superpower of a tadpole stuck in a business suit.